Hello guys, my name is Shehbaz and you are here on the Olymp Trade channel. Guys, this stream is gonna be very interesting. In this stream, we will talk about Trading Premier League. We will get to know everything about how we can participate in it, how we can battle and win and be on the top of the leaderboard. So guys, first of all, let's subscribe to the channel and then we will move on to our detailed information. So guys, let's begin. First of all, guys, I will give you information about the event. What is Trading Premier League? You know, in India right now, IPL is going on, and based on that, we have introduced our own event on Olymp Trade. So in this event, you can see that right now, round 1 is already live. And for the round 1, you need to participate in the event. You can go to the event section. You can see a Trading Premier League 2023. Click there. You will see a join button. You can see I have already joined it. So when you click here, you will join automatically. Also guys, regarding this event, you know, when you participate in battle, for each battle won, you will be awarded 1 point. And the more points you will have, the more higher ranking you will have in our leaderboard. And we give prizes for our leaderboard if you will be in the top 20. So let's discuss about the prizes. We have a lot of interesting prizes for you for our Trading Premier League participant. And you can see in the screen that you can get 24 in-person consultation from our expert who are already in the market from a long time, and you can get a personalized advice for yourself. Also, we are giving 14 decathlon certificates. We are also giving 3 annual Amazon Pay gift, e-gift cards. Also, we are giving 18 Google Pay certificates. We are also giving 10 Sony Live certificates. So guys, you can see there are a lot of things you are getting. And also, we will give 40 commodities intraday signals. So you see guys, there are a lot of interesting prizes for this event. You can participate. You can come to the top 20 list. You will get a lot of prizes. You will earn money. And in this stream, I will tell you, I will battle myself and I will tell you exactly how you can do it. So guys, let's begin with our first battle. You see, here is a battle section, you know. When you click here, you will see that search for opponent option. You will have an opponent instantly searched by Olymp Trade, and you see Olymp Trade is searching opponent for me on my behalf, and there will be some random trader from some random country who will be my opponent for this event. I see that there is a flag of, I think, Thailand, and I will just accept the battle. So I am battling with this guy, and you have to remember that there is a time limit of 8 minutes. So each battle is of 8 minutes. You can also see what my opponent is doing. You saw that there was a thing that he is choosing the asset. I will also choose my asset. I will do my analysis and I will take my trades. All right. So for example, Europe Composite Index. Let's select some asset and take some trades. All right, so I can see the gold is looking kind of weak on 1 minute chart frame. You should also remember that this battles can only be played on FTT, so you cannot play it on Forex mode. So I am on FTT. My duration is of 5 minutes and my amount is of $50. So let's take our first trade for our first battle, of course. So yeah, I think the gold prices are looking weak. There is a resistance here and there is already a pullback, so I will go for a down trade. So you see, as soon as I executed the order, there is a mark in the chart that my trade is live, and the duration of the chart is 5 minutes. So my trade will end after 5 minutes. Okay, so I took one trade. Let's see something interesting. Is there anything else we can take trade on? For example, commodity composite. What is going on here? Oh, very big down move. Yeah, you see a very good trendy down move. but there is a little consolidation here going on. I will wait for, for 1-2 minutes, and if I will see that the trend is continuing, I will go with a down trade. So let's observe this chart for few minutes and let's move forward to find something else. Okay, seems like Asia Composite is going upside. There is a strong trend line, you can see. I can actually draw it from my technical analysis. Here you go. You see, here is a trend line, right? And this Asia Composite is trying to go upwards. So I think like I should go with up trade. And guys, I will also tell you very interesting feature which is known as risk-free trade. You see, I have already accumulated a lot of risk-free trade for myself by battling, by trading. So let's try one risk-free trade of $100. And I think that the prices will go up. So suppose in this trade, if I will lose, if the prices will be below, I will not lose anything because it's risk-free. So my money will not be deducted from my account, but if I win, my money will be added to my account. So which is really interesting, isn't it? So yeah, we have already opened 2 trades, all right? And here it's a very funny feature that you can also send an emoji to your opponent and appreciate maybe that you took a very good trade, great job, or you can show that like my trade was awesome or your trade was awesome. So you can communicate with your opponent in form of emoji, which is very interesting feature of Olymptrade. So guys, we can see Asia Composite is moving in our direction, which is really nice. Okay, we put on hold for our commodity composite, and still I think it is not continuing down trade. So yeah, let's wait. We are not in a hurry. Yeah, let's check something else. All right, so you can see Bitcoin. Bitcoin is recently moved down. It has broken this resistance level. So it is a good down trade for me. Yeah, I can take a 5-minute duration. I will put here $50, 50, and a down trade, because I can see that there was an important support level which has been recently been broken. So it should continue in its direction. So yeah, we have 3 trades right now. Let's see if we can find something else. Arabian General. There is, I can say, there is a support level here, but for now there is nothing to take trade, but we can just observe it. Okay, so it was a good downtrend. You see, on 1-minute time frame, the prices were falling, and it took a support here, and it is making double bottom, double top here. So it's likely that it will continue in the downward direction. If I'm not sure, I will reduce my amount from $50 to $20 to take lower risk and go with a down trade. Yeah. So this is how we manage our risk. When you are not sure, when you think that it's not worth taking the big risk, you can always put your quantity smaller, or you can use your risk-free trades if you have. If you trade a lot, you will get a lot of risk-free trade. Like you can see, I have a lot of risk-free trades. All right, so I would also like to highlight the more you will win, the more points you will have. And the more points you will have, in that way, it will be calculated either you are the winner or your opponent is winner. If you are winner, you will get 1 point, and that 1 point will be highlighted here in the Trading Premier League leaderboard. So the points you are seeing here, for example here, you see 71 points, Vishwakarma. So this guy has already won 71 battles, which is really impressive, because he is kind of very professional trader that he won 71 times. He has bet his opponent. And you can see nobody is near him, like only few traders are on 20s range and 48s range. So, and yeah, and actually it is very good opportunity for you that if you will be on top 20, you will get something, from us. You will get some kind of prizes from us. And to get a prize, you see, you just have to win 6 battles. And if you will win 6 battles, you are already in the top 20. So guys, do participate in this event and do not miss this chance to get rewarded from us. So yeah, let's pick something else. Let's see if we get something. Astro index looking weak. You see there is red candle, a lot of red candle. So whenever I will give you a quick tip, whenever you are trading on short term time frame, try to be with trend. Don't try to predict that the trend will reverse in shorter time frame. Usually most of the time when you are at very small time frame like 1 minute, at 1 minute time frame the trend usually go with the flow. It goes in its direction. I am seeing here it's a strong downtrend, so I will go with the trend. I will go with a downtrend. So yeah, we took few trades here and there. Let's find something else for us. And of course, it depends on your trading style. For me, you see, I'm not using any indicator as of now. I'm just analyzing the chart. I'm reading the chart, and I'm trying to see a little past history. I'm not going back to 4-hour time frame, or I'm not going back to 30-minute time frame to analyze the whole market. I don't need it. Why I don't need it? Because I am at a very small time frame. At very small time frame, I just have to look a little back that what was happening. So there was a consolidation. Okay guys, so we can see that we actually got defeated, which is kind of nice that we got defeated. But you see that we took 2 trades and one was profitable and other one is already live, so it is not completed yet. So you can see our trades are not closed yet, but the battle has closed. That's why we are in defeat. But if you will see, there are already 3 trades which are already live. So yeah, also by the time I would like to highlight you guys that you can see the QR code in our screen. You can just click on that QR code and you can participate in this event by yourself, participate in the battles, try to win the battles, because the opponents are actually real humans. So if you are winning, that means that you are better than others and you actually know how to analyze the market. So do participate in the battle and do scan this QR code, and it will redirect you to our trading battle page. Alright guys, so let's try another battle. Okay, so what I did, I went to the event page, I clicked on the battle, and I see a search for opponent option. I clicked there, and Olymptrade is searching an opponent for me by himself. I don't have to do anything, I just have to wait. Olymptrade is searching someone a trader who also want to battle at the moment, and if he finds someone, he will match it with me and I will have a one-on-one battle with him. So, and also sometimes if there are no opponents, it takes a while. Yeah, you see, again there is a person, and I am ready to battle with him again. So let's begin again. We can see the trades which we took. The risk-free one was in profit. We see we made $84 here. We lost some money. We made some money. So overall, we have to try to be as much profitable as we can. And the trading strategy in this video, which I am using, is for very short term. And for short term, the market are volatile. Yeah. So you can also use different kind of strategies like trading on news, trading on economic calendar, trading on event. If there is earning seasons, you can specifically choose Apple or Netflix stock and target that earning season and win from that. So there are a lot of strategies, a lot of things which you can analyze and win from the market. So okay, let's try some currency pair. Is there anything interesting in currency pair which we can see and analyze? Let's check. For Great Britain pound and USD, it seems to go in uptrade. Yeah, we can take, you can see a strong trend line here. Yeah, here you see there is a trend line. I think it should go upside, and because we were at 5-minute time frame, we already lost battle because our trade was not executed. So let's take a smaller time frame. Let's take one minute time frame. I will use my risk-free trade. Let's take an $100 upside trade on Great Britain pound. So we took our first trade, and you see this trader is kind of very smart. If you will observe his way of taking trade, he is actually observing me. He's taking me which he's considering which asset I am opening my position, and based on that he is opening his position. So he is kind of very smart. That's why he defeated me on the first round. So I'm sure that he is one of our expert who is trading on Olymp Trade right now to defeat me. Okay. So there is also a Cricket 23 index, which is, by the way, recently was introduced by Olymp Trade. So you can also trade on this. It is specifically for Indian users, so take advantage of these guys. All right, we can see a strong down trade. For example, let's draw a trend line. Not the vertical one. I need a trend line. Yeah, this one. For example, you see a very strong downward trend, and I will go with the trend for duration 1 minute. Okay. As I see, here is a support level, so it's kind of riskier to take trade. Whether if it will break this level or not, I'm not sure. So I will reduce my quantity from 50 to maybe like 20 and a down trade. And if it will break this level, I will take one more $20 trade. You know, this is how I manage risk. If I lose, I will lose only $20 because the market didn't move in my favor. But if it will break this level, I will win $20, and then I will also take another $20 trade, which will make my total profit of like $40, which low risk. So always remember to manage your risk. Always remember that your capital is limited, and you have to grow your capital. You don't have to like take and blow your account in a one trade. Don't be greedy, guys. Be regular, be slow, but be consistent, and you will eventually win. All right. So let's move forward. What we have else here? We can see here is also a good opportunity for downward trade. Yeah, you see here was the resistance level, and it broke it. There was a pullback, and then again it broke. It is trying to break it. So it's kind of good level to take a downward trade, and I opened instantly because I saw that there is an opportunity. Okay. So let's move forward. What we have here? Brent. Okay. So what is Brent? Brent is the oil, and these all currency pairs, Brent, gold, cryptocurrency, or you can see Dow Jones, everything is live. Yeah, it is from the live market. The charts are from the live market. So millions of traders worldwide are trading, and this chart represent a bigger flow of money, like the billions of dollars flowing in the market. So yeah, let's dive into the Brent and see what is going on if we get some opportunity. And guys, you see here is also a very good support level. The prices came here, got back up, came here again, got back up, came back again. Yeah, you see. So this level is very important. If this level is broken, you can instantly take trade, a lot of trade in downward direction. It will go to like 77.5, 77.6. So whenever you see a support is forming, wait for some time. Yeah, don't hurry up, wait for some time. Let's the price decide where it is going, and then we will go with the price. We don't have to we don't have billions of dollars that we can manipulate the chart, but we can always play smart. We can always try to see what is going on and then react to get money. All right, for the Brent, we are on hold. We will see what the prices will tell us to do. Okay, same with the CAC 40 French index. It is on the consolidation phase with a good support level here. So considered for future. Canadian JPY, nothing Interesting. Copper. You see, copper is showing me some good upside potential. You know why? I will tell you very good reason why I think so. For example, trend line. See here. See, the prices are moving slowly, but it is moving upwards. Whenever you see this kind of trend, the slow but the consistent trend is very effective. If the copper will show a rapid up move, it will go down rapidly. It is called in technical terms volatility. Yeah. But when there is low volatility, in this case, you see there is very low volatility, but the prices are trying to move up slowly. So these kind of chart patterns are favorite. It's favorite for me because the slower the chart is, the better it is. You see, the charts are already moving in our direction. Why? Because it is very strong trend, because it is slow. It's not volatile. It's very slow trend. Okay, so we took a trade here. Let's move forward, guys. What we have? What we have here? You see, have you observed, guys? European markets are consolidating. We are saying, we won, nice, we won. You see, we took 3 trades, and he took also 3 trades. He made 1 profitable trade. I don't know why for us it is not showing the data, but we earned 1400 points and we won. So awesome. We won 1 trade, we lost 1. So it's cool, yeah. So guys, before we move to our final battle, to our third battle, and so that before we go there, I would like to inform you again about our event, which we are doing it live right now. And it's what? It's Trading Premier League. You can get all the information about the event on this event page. Just go on the event, you will see a Trading Premier League 2023 card. Click there, you will see a story. You can read about it. I will tell you again briefly, yeah. But you will get more detailed information, you know, like how many prizes are there, how I can win, and so on, how to battle, strategies to battle. So yeah, let me give you briefly what I said to you earlier as well. So each battle you win, you will get 1 point, and with each point you will move upwards on the leaderboard. The higher points you will have, and if you are on the top 20 list, you will get rewarded from us. I will tell you the prizes later, but also I want to tell that the prize announcement for the first round will be on 29th of May, and the second round will be, the announcement of the prizes will be on the 5th of June. So guys, there are 2 rounds. Right now the round 1 is live, you can participate, win, and then again we will open the round 2, you can participate and win, and do check the result. Try to be on the top 20 list of the leaderboard, and you will get something from us, of course. And what you will get? So here is the list of the prizes which you can get from us. So the prizes are, first, you will have 24 in-person consultation with experts of Olymp Trade who are trading in this market from like 4-5 years, even like 7-8-10 years. So you will get acquainted with different kind of strategies. You will also get 14 decathlon certificate from us. You will get 3 annual Amazon Pay e-gift cards. You will get 18 Google Pay certificates. You will also get 10 Sony Live subscription, 40 commodities intraday signals. This is all exclusively for Indian traders. So guys, do participate in this Trading Premier League and get advantage from get the advantage from all these prizes. Win these prizes, man. So let's take our battle 3, and this is our final battle. After this we will wrap up. So I will again, how to participate, I will go to the event, I will click on battles. Here you will see the search for opponent option. I will just click there and wait for someone to someone from the Olymp Trade who will battle with me. So I can see one guy is again live and my battle is on again. So Let's check with the copper because the copper graph was really interesting. Okay. Uh, so right now I think we should wait for copper. We won. We got some money on copper. Nice. Okay. So I was saying, guys, have you observed that the European markets are consolidating? We have seen the French index was in consolidation. You see, it's not moving anywhere. Even the German index, DAX, it's the German one, it is not moving anywhere. So right now, this all charts are waiting for US market to open. When the US market will open, you can see some volatility. So guys, always be updated, you know, always be updated with what is going on in the world of finance and marketing, in the world of trading, to be specific. So if you know, you can actually take advantage. I know that these graphs are in consolidation phase. I know that after 2 hours, this graph will become volatile. So if I am more, riskier trader, I will take trades on that events when the markets are more volatile in the forex mode to win more money with taking a lot of leverage. But if you are trying to like battle safely, then you can take trades when the prices are moving slow, like we saw in the copper, as we are seeing in German index or the French index. So let's take some trade. We put on hold for our Brent. Let's check what is going on in Brent. So seems like Brent is not in a mood to go upwards. So we will take a down trade. Yeah. Why we took the down trade? You see, there was a big up move here, then a small up move, then a small up move, then again a small. It shows lower highs, you know, it shows that the weakness, the prices are not going upwards. The prices are either consolidating or either trying to go downwards or trying to go nowhere. Yeah. So it's more, risk free for us to take trades like this to gain money. At the end, we want to like benefit from the market. It doesn't matter whether you're trading gold, whether you're trading Bitcoin. At the end, all it matters is how much money you're taking home. So, gold is in uptrend, but for 1 minute, you see, for 1 minute time frame, I'm not sure. There was a strong trend, but there is again a downward trend. It may go down, it may consolidate. So I'm not sure. If I'm not sure, I will not take trade. It's that simple. You don't have to be like aggressive that it should go downwards because I have taken the trade. We always have to respect the market. We always have to understand the logic behind the market so that to earn money. Yeah. Okay, let's check something, guys, to find something to get some more interesting trades for us. You see, here was a big down trade, a good pullback, and again it is going down. So I do think that it will continue in the downward direction. And why do I think so? Because it is very classic chart pattern, actually trend analysis, I would say, which is known as a downtrend with a pullback, and after the pullback, the trends continues. So this is the continuation of trade which we are trading on. So you see the prices are already moving upwards. Also, guys, see one interesting thing here. Our opponent has also taken an up trade in this same chart of $60. I have taken trade for downwards, but he believes that the prices will go up. So you can also see what opponent is doing, and it is also visible on the chart on the Olymp Trade platform. So here is the thing to highlight. So let's see who will win here, either the opponent's analysis or the mine. So it is very interesting to watch in the commodity composite index. Let's move on. You see, we already draw Asia composite index trend line earlier, and you see the trend is continuing. And if trend is continuing, I will continue as well. Why not? If the prices are saying me that I will move in the same direction, I will take the trade on the same direction. I just need to earn money. I just need to get money. So the same chart, the same analysis, and I just continued my analysis forward. All right. So let's take something something interesting. Is there something going on in Bitcoin? It's taking a lot of time to load. Let's move forward. What is going on with the Olymptrade platform? I don't know why it is buffering. Maybe let me try to refresh it for you. Meanwhile, I will remind you that you can scan the QR code which we are displaying on our chart, and you can directly will be redirected to our page, our Trading Premier League, and you can participate in that event. So do scan this QR code and participate it and get rewarded, guys. You are trading, you are winning money from trading as well as winning extra prizes from us. So take advantage from it. You see, the Brazilian index is also in a very good trend. I gave you analysis of this kind of chart. You see, a very interesting chart pattern. A slow and consistent trend in a upward direction. I will go with the trend. Yeah, you see, whenever you see this kind of pattern, always go with the trend. Don't try to think that it will break it and you will get a big money. No, it doesn't happen usually. With this strong trend, it usually goes in this direction. And you see here, our opponent also took the same trade. So he kind of agrees with me in Brazilian index. He also thinks that the trend will go up, and I also think the trend will go up. So we both are thinking in this case the trend will go up, and it is going up. It's nice. And what is going on with commodity composite index? So it actually changed the trend. Interesting to watch. You see, the commodity composite is becoming more volatile. It's more becoming zigzag rather than a continuation of trend. So this happens. You know, the market are volatile, the market is dynamic. So you always have to be changing your mindset with the chart. You cannot just stick with one thing. Okay. Can we get something else for us? Because you see, the times are very less. The time, only 19 seconds are left. And you know, you can also take quicker trades which last for 5 seconds. For example, I will show you here for a risk-free trade of $20 in upward direction. It will close in 5 seconds. So there is an option in Olymptrade that you can, we actually made money, but I don't know what happened to the result of the third battle, but seems like we won or lost. I think we lost the information, but nevertheless, guys, we took 3 battles, we won 1, we lost 1, and the third result was kind of tie, I would say. It was very interesting to take trades with you, to inform you regarding our battles, how you can participate in this event using the QR code, scanning the QR code, the prizes. So guys, do participate in this event. And to wrap up this video, I would say subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the Olymptrade channel, and stay updated, check regularly our content. You will always learn something new here, and do participate in this event. So guys, that's it for today. See you.